Вот что осталось от прилета. Вот здесь единственная вороночка.
Hi guys, I'm Siad. Welcome back to Warthog Defense. After a short break, we are continuing a Ukrainian update. We have a series of explosions and diversions and drone attacks in Russia itself, and Russians are panicking about this. Also, Russian servicemen in Ukraine are panicking about Ukrainian drone attacks, which are intensifying, and we are seeing more and more attacks. Let's see this video.
Another night, another precision UAV attack against Russia and its criminal facilities. Rumors say this powerful explosion occurred at the Shaglovsky Val plant, a military enterprise in Tula, some 124 miles south from Moscow. Incident at the Novatek Ust-Luga gas condensate plant near St. Petersburg as it happened. The plant now temporarily stopped operations after last night's attack by unidentified flying objects. Russian media report a drone attack on Novatek plant in Leningrad region last night. The Novatek plant in Ust-Luga processes stable gas condensate, the final products being oil, kerosene, diesel fraction, and fuel oil. The plant is located in the coastal zone, next to a specialized terminal where products and gas condensate itself are loaded onto ships and sent for export, and the money then used to finance the war with Ukraine.
Атака беспилотника, блин. Идет как расшвартовка. Миша, легче, 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 легче. Чуть не попали тоже. Так надо, наверное, отводить танкера.
Отходим. Швартовая команда КНГ-3, КНГ-5. Срочно угад на сторону юга. Диспетчер СМБ. Едем. Ходите на рейс. Атака из беспилотника на ВВП. Отходим. Это же не трамвай, сразу не отходим.
Наши ребята он уже отводят другой. Это мы отводим. От причала танкера. Эвакуацию всех швартовщиков с причала.
Russian serviceman complaining that his tank was literally bombarded, first with FPV drones, then drops from Baba Yaga drone. Not everyone from the crew survived.
Вот это говно они скидывают на наши, блядь, танки, товарищи, блядь. Вот она ВОК называемая, еще не разорванная. Танк просто закидали. Думаю, видно, что происходит. Все в сбросах. Далеко ходить не будем.
November 2023, Ukrainian strike on a column of vehicles and infantry preparing for a combat mission. 28 occupiers survived from 120.
Вот что осталось от прилета. Вот здесь единственная вороночка. Воронка. Вот здесь от машин сгоревших. Там вон бак разорванный. Вот эта воронка. Тут он. Вещи еще остались от ребят. Сгоревшие. Вот машина. Подкрылки от фар. Вон разлетелась фильтра. Вот был прилет вначале сюда. Потом лесопосадку, говорит, где парни находились. Там вот парни в блиндаже. Сюда было три прилета было. Вот те машины оттащили потом подальше. Вон здесь. Лазик здесь, говорит, был. Тоже только недавно, говорит, приехал. Тоже все осколки от него вон сгоревшие. Стекла повылетали. Вот здесь на поле. Парни здесь находились, грузились в машины на задание. Это вот бак взорвался. Было 3 прилета. Один вот прямо здесь в поле и 2 в лесопосадку. Осталось 28 парней только из 120. Вот так вот была случайность. А может, не случайность по прилету. Вот тут было.
Ukrainians found interesting details from a captured Russian officer near Vuhledar. For example, on March 1st, 100 people were sent to assault Vuhledar. Only 16 returned. And on March 5th, only 3 Russians returned from the assault. Basically, losses at 80% are consistent with the Ukrainian reports about this battlefield. A Russian passenger plane en route from India to Moscow has crashed in Afghanistan. Gazpromavia's Falcon 900B took off from the Indian city of Gaya. The pilots reported technical problems and were about to make an unscheduled landing while crossing the border with Tajikistan. The last time the plane was seen on radar was when it approached the Afghan border. Federal Air Transport Agency confirmed the accident. 6 people were on board. The accident occurred on the border between Tajikistan and Afghanistan, and the plane was on a chartered sanitary flight. Speaker Mike Johnson is a disgrace. He is actually trying to compare military aid given to Ukraine as equivalent to America's 20 years spent fighting with their own military boots on the ground in Afghanistan. 2,402. U.S. military personnel gave their lives for their country following orders in Afghanistan, and another 20,000 service members were wounded. Mike Johnson wants you to believe that donating 4% of the annual military budget to Ukraine so they can completely destroy the Russian military is the exact same thing as losing 2,402 service members in Afghanistan. Speaker Johnson says such nonsense because he wants Russia to win.
We need to know that Ukraine would not be another Afghanistan. And you see a lot of the American people scratching their heads, having real questions about why that would continue without these appropriate answers.
Thank you guys for watching. Pantsir-S from Warthog Defense. Stay on this channel for more updates. We are going to see a lot of stuff from Ukraine. We have new updates, new videos. Comment, like, subscribe, become a member, and stay strong.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.